Welcome back to Mental Harmony Hub. Today, we're talking about how to create a balanced morning routine for mental well-being. Morning meditation. Start your day with a few minutes of meditation. This helps clear your mind and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. Even just 5 to 10 minutes can make a big difference. Gentle exercise. Next, incorporate some gentle exercise. Whether it's yoga, stretching, or a quick walk, moving your body in the morning helps boost your energy levels and mood. Healthy breakfast. And skip breakfast. A healthy, balanced meal can fuel your body and brain. Try to include a mix of protein, healthy fats, and carbs for sustained energy. Setting intentions. Take a moment to set your intentions for the day. Write down a few goals or positive affirmations. This helps you stay focused and motivated throughout the day. By starting your day with these simple steps, you can create a balanced morning routine that promotes mental well-being. Give it a try and see how it transforms your day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on achieving mental harmony. Thanks for watching.